continue the game. Internal report number 452. Birds dying from brain hemorrhage. Initial reports indicate that the birds are perishing from a sudden, massive brain hemorrhaging. As one scientist has said, for some reason, their brains are simply dissolving. Suspect's train must stop at the next platform. Make your way there. Ugh. Another dead bird. Okay, gotta find a weapon. Alright. 2x4 with nails. At least I can, like, it's one thing I did like about the second game, though, is that you could actually just use your fists if you wanted to. Jesus Christ, these guys have like fucking leprosy or something. And this is the part that I hated the most. Ooh, okay. What do you got here? Oh, you got all 5 shots in this baby. I don't know what's more terrifying. Yeah, this is the part that I hated the most because these guys are just so fucking creepy. Hear them like creeping up on you. Die, you fucking meth addicts. And I've known actual meth addicts and they weren't that, and they didn't slither across the ground like fucking that, I can tell you that much. Start looking back and all that crap, like you just start getting extremely paranoid. This is already open, so I don't know why I would need to. Let's take this shovel for a moment. I'm hearing somebody working on something in the background. There he is. Oh, crap. Alright, well. Back to square one again. The question is, how do I get over there? Oh. The upside of these guys is that they're extremely fragile. It's the only upside. They look creepy. Oh, you fuckers. Oh yeah, because I looked behind me at the last second because I wanted to make sure those motherfuckers weren't crawling through the walls and shit. Anyone else? Oh, that's where I needed the shovel from. All right. Oh, okay. Alright, alright. I can dig it. I can dig it. fucking A. Stop with this ring around the rosy bullshit. There you go. Thank you, shovel. Alright. Now I think there's one more place that's got a... if memory serves. Ah, there we go. There we go. Ooh, and I get some meds for my trouble. Damn it. Yeah, just notice how the fuck they slither across my ground. Yeah, that's not fucking normal. That's meth, alright? I don't know who the hell needs to hear that, but that is meth. I don't care who you are. I saw what I saw. Like, that's either meth or worse than meth, alright? That's all I'm saying, alright? I was in Florida during the Miami zombie incident. I know a thing or two about shit, and that is... yeah. What are you laughing at?
He got another girl pregnant, and he goes, well, what's her name?
Alright, motherfucker, Assassin's Creed style jump. Yeah, no, I'm listening.
Okay, so he said, I don't even know her name, and Bianca slaps the shit out of him in the back of the head, and he put a little, like, dust particle in the background, like a little filter or whatever. I just thought it was funny.
Oh, okay. I thought you were laughing at what I was saying, because I was saying that these motherfuckers are on meth. Rebar with concrete on it. I can dig that. Alright. Ah. Alright. Oh, lovely. I gotta play chicken with the fucking electrical tracks. Lovely. Search the subway car for clues. Alright, let me get my tool.
We're connected, Thomas. Transfer data when ready.
Organic evidence shines bright. I'm not seeing anything. This is actually kind of surprising. I didn't expect this thing to be a bloodbath, but I didn't expect it to be clean either. Find organic evidence. Ah! Forgot about the fire extinguisher used to scare me off. What the hell?
Give me a sec. I can't get a read on the prints. Too smudged. Get a sample, though. He's scared and sweating like a horse.
Fair enough.
Okay, got it. Initiating a DNA profile on the sample. This will take a while. Can you keep yourself busy until then?
Yeah. Oh, fuck. Greatest civil war between the fucking meth addicts and the coke addicts. Oh, you fucking methed out bitch. The wrong motherfucker to step to, I will tell you that. Like Ludacris says, hey, you want what with me? I'm gonna tell you one time, don't fuck with me. Alright, and looks like the motherfucker with the, looks like a sledgehammer or a fire axe. Bing bong! Alright. Alright. Bam! Alright. Well, I kept myself busy. Jesus Christ, this lady looks like the chick that crawled out of the well in The Ring. I think that was the intention, though. Alright. Here we go. Okay, let's get the hell out of here. Who the hell put that there? That's what I'm wondering.
Received. It's a train schedule, but there's some shadows. Running it through graphics enhancement.
This is his rat hole, alright, it has to be. I found his overalls next to his locker.
Bastard travels light, doesn't he? Keep looking around. He's gotta have more than a locker to play with. I'll get back to you once I clean up this image.
Kick out wall fan to climb through. Oh. Fuck, I hear a bastard running around. I'm gonna need a fire axe. Looks like I'm heading down here. And he's got the fire axe, of course.
Thomas speaking.
Document is a standard city-issue train schedule. Pressure has been applied from a stylus highlighting two scheduled routes, both originating from Central Metro Station. Route 16 to Burnside, departing 5:10, 7:30, 9:30 a.m. Route 66B leads to Briar. That's a tiny farm town an hour to the northwest. Departs 9:30 a.m. and midnight.
This is his hub, so he goes to both locations regularly.
I've also determined DNA from the sweat sample in the train matches DNA from the cigarette butt. 99.8% probability. The guy you're following is the guy who killed the two policemen.
The matchmaker. At least, I think so. Something's still not adding up.
And... Oh, you fucking servant. Of course you... Hey, Sadako, can you just not do that, please? Oh, God. I gotta jump down there, don't I? Well, first I'm gonna look around first. Well, I said first twice. Yeah. Ooh, sawed-off shotgun. Oh, of course, there's only 2 shots. jumping down. I got 2 shots, motherfucker. Great, I'm hearing the fucking meth addicts. That's basically what I've nicknamed these guys. Oh. Well, he ain't a meth addict, he's somebody else. Oh, what the hell? Get back here, you son of a bitch. There you go. 1 shot left. Oh, yep, there's his buddy. Hey, asshole. Fuck you. Yeah. Who knew trying to get close to a guy with a sawed-off shotgun was not going to end well? Besides everybody else in the fucking world. Alright. Well, now you gave me a 45 cal pistol with 8 shots, so, yeah. I'll thank you for your generous contribution to the, Fuck You Up Fund, and, see you around. In hell. Is that a metal shard? No, that's a 2x4 with nails. Oh, God. Please tell me there aren't going to be more meth addicts prowling about. Suspect's trail has gone cold. Search lower train tunnels for any information you may have left behind. Oh, of course. I gotta... Locked. Fuck you. Sorry, buddy, but it was either you or me. And I chose me.
You should have chosen him.
No, trust me, if you saw the way this guy looked, probably not. Alright. Oh, great. There's a dead bird around here. There's a dead bird around here. Oh, sorry. Oh, dead bird's right over there. Oh, great. Another fucking meth addict. Come on. There you go. He's down. Ah, you dick! There you go. Yeah, that cover did nothing for you. Ah! Seriously, the way you guys fucking crawl is creepy. Again, like, I would have more of a problem if you guys looked somewhat more, what's the word? Fucking human. Sorry, thought I heard something behind me. God damn. Sorry, my girlfriend's getting something in the back.
Yeah.
Yeah, no, that's fine. Alright, oh crap, oh shit. There were 2 firemen. Alright. Oh! You guys gonna start fighting each other now? No, they are not. Ah! Dick. Oh, damn it. Weapons and health kits can be found in secret places. Oh, damn it. Cut my aim off. Oh, you dick. Yep. Or in your case, you are what you eat. Probably. Okay, that's right. Beat the crap out of each other, please. Gotcha, you son of a bitch. Alright, where's your... Alright. Where'd your friend go, you dickhead? Oh, there he is. Freeze, motherfucker. Oh, crap. There we go. Alright. There you go. Turned you fucking inside out. Now. The shovel's got the better stats, so I'm gonna take this. It may do less damage, but it's got more reach, better block, and among other things. Now. I love how each individual pipe's got its own stats. Alright, now where do I go from here? There's gotta be something up here. They wouldn't have just... I mean, I like to think this game wouldn't have sent me up here without a reason. Just doing this just to fuck with me. But then again, I wouldn't put it past this game. Yeah, nothing. Only one turbine spinning. That's kind of weird. But I can't interact with it, so that must not be the reason why I'm here. Oh, here we go, door. And it's locked, but I can climb this ladder. And some health. Awesome. No meth addicts that I've been, that I've seen yet. I already got a shovel. Oh shit! Damn. That actually scared the shit out of me, I'm not gonna lie. Oh, God. Oh, I was literally not expecting that, and even though I didn't show a lot of fear, I can tell you I was pretty fucked up by that, I'm not gonna lie. If I was any drunker, I probably would have pissed myself. Which would have made me need to take another shower. Oh great, he's shuffling about like usual. Oh, God, I fucking hate this level more than anything. Fucking scuttle. What is... Okay, what is... Why does everything creepy have to fucking scuttle? Is that like some rule that people agreed upon years ago, or I already have a shovel, so I'm fine. Either A, I didn't need to come up here, or B, I have to come up here later. Oh. There we go. Oh, come on. Increase steam pressure to rupture pipe, clearing path beyond the gate. I saw some meth addicts. Yep. They're coming up. And literally that's how weak they are. They're like fucking tissue paper. And I was right about coming up here later. When I have 2 steam valves opened, oh shit. Things are getting steamy. Ah, yep, there's another one. Shit. There we go. Oh, bitch! I'll get you, chick from the ring look-alike. Oh, wait a minute, yeah. We gotta continue on. Oh, God. Again, why does everything have to fucking scuttle? Alright. There we go. What the hell? I hear somebody moving. Yep, there he is. Fucking jack off. Okay, things are getting steamy in here. Now, where's the other one? One out of 2 steam valves opened. Oh, there's the other one. There you go. Meth addict. She's down. Lovely. I'm traveling down the train tunnels alone in the dark with only a shovel to defend myself. There's no way this could possibly go wrong. Checkpoint. I need shots. Alright, I'll make the most of them. Investigate area for clues. What is he planning to hit?
Image received. Looks like a blueprint for a Holman number 8 subway passenger car. Searching local business registry. Shows Holman was the city's contractor for the cars years ago.
Yeah, I haven't seen one of these number 8 cars in years.
Get a close-up of the red circled area. It's hard to see.
Oh, yeah.
The circled part, red ballpoint pen, highlights a ceiling compartment in the car. Thomas, they generally seal the doors of these suckers shut when they go out of commission. A crowbar might work best. Try the car's tool cabinet under the frame. Once inside the car, find that compartment.
Okay, break into the number 8 subway car. Looks like I'll have to find this a crowbar. Oh, there's 3 this time. That means I'm going to be making a return trip. Better prep accordingly. What the hell? Oh, damn.
Ready.
Oh, God.
Dust on the end of the crowbar is a common plaster mix. Pigmentation particles mixed in with the dust are of a soft pinkish hue.
Department store dummies?
You got it.
Oh. Lovely. Oh, fuck. Man, that motherfucker was waiting for me. Behind me too. Ooh, boot print.
Compiling data into 3-dimensional model. Big boy footprint, size 14D. Sole pattern matches Badger's footwear protector pattern. I'll run a buyer search locally, but you can get these anywhere, fairly common. There's some schmutz in the pattern troughs, probably Probably same plaster dust as before.
Oh no, they're just mannequin parts again.
Transfer data when ready.
Oh, here we go. Okay. Here we go. There we go. Oh, okay, I was supposed to say, is that a real human
Barnes
arm?
department store? Just a minute. 645 Burnside. Went out of business 14 years ago. The squatters group took it over almost immediately, and now it's not what you would call prime shopping territory.
Makes sense the matchmaker would be there, a good source of mannequin parts. But then what's all this here? An outpost? A second shop? I should probably go down there.
Yeah, just don't get carried away. Shit, the cops don't even drive down Burnside unless they have to. It's a nasty area filled with nasty people. And the people down there are different. They go beyond nasty.
Oh, of course.
Stand clear of platform. Stand clear of platform. Metro Station daily routes are now beginning for Tuesday. Route 6 to 12th Avenue. Route 9 to New Montgomery. Route 16 to Burnside. Arriving platform 16. Do not hold train doors.
Thomas, Route 16 to Burnside. That train will take you directly to the department store.
If I hurry, I'll just make it.
Make your way back to the platform. Oh, of course. Fucking meth addict. Off! There we go. Crap, they're around. Yeah. Ugh, I hear you're groaning. Oh, crap. Oh. Down. Oh, crap. You see, he's using the I can't see you, you can't see me defense. Alright. Let's crack this open again. Okay, if I remember correctly. Yep.
Compiling data into three-dimensional model. Big boy footprint, size 14D. Sole pattern matches Badger's footwear protector pattern. I'll run a buyer search locally, but you can get these anywhere, fairly common. There's some schmutz in the pattern troughs, probably same plaster dust as before. Transfer data when ready.
There we go.
Bart's department store? Just a minute. 645 Burnside. Went out of business 14 years ago. The squatters group took it over almost immediately, and now it's not what you would call prime shopping territory.
Makes sense the matchmaker would be there, a good source of mannequin parts. But then what's all this here? An outpost? A second shop? I should probably go down there.
Yeah, just don't get carried away. Shit, the cops don't even drive down Burnside unless they have to. It's a nasty area filled with nasty people. And the people down there are different. They go beyond nasty.
Stand clear of the platform. Metro Station daily logs are now beginning for Tuesday. Route 6 to 12th Avenue. Route 9 to New Montgomery. Route 16 to Burnside. Arriving platform 16. Do not hold train doors.
Thomas, Route 16 to Burnside. That train will take you directly to the department store.
If I hurry, I'll just make it.
Alright. What the hell? Oh, yeah. Oh, fucking ass. Oh, what the hell? There we go. Yeah. Fortunately, the crowbar, it's, you know, it's good, but it's good with damage, but not so good with speed. There we go. Okay, where'd your little girlfriend go? Alright, I know she's up here too. Hearing the gross noises she makes. There we go. Fucking bitch. Probably not coming back here, so. Oh shit. Looks like I walked straight into the fucking gate. Alright, who won up here? Oh, shit. There we go. Really kind of... Oh, damn it, he used up all the fucking ammo. Bastard. Okay, I can't get past the steam. And I'm pretty much out of health. That I only really have myself to blame, because I really should have just tased his ass and then fucking, really should have just tased his ass and then fucking taken the gun and shot the shit out of him. Yep. Oh! Damn! Damn. Killed by a sneak attack. Oh, I have to go. Oh, that pisses me off. Fucking asshole. Alright. How does that have more reach or block? I'm hitting you with the butt of the gun. Alright, here we go. I already know how to do this.
Compiling data into three-dimensional model.
So I've done this a lot,
Boy,
so.
footprint, size 14D. Sole pattern matches Badger's footwear protector pattern. I'll run a buyer search locally, but you can get these anywhere. Fairly common. There's some schmutz spots in the pattern troughs. Probably same plaster dust as before.
Alright, whoops. Sorry.
Transfer data when ready.
Alright. Alright.
Bart's department store? Just a minute. 645 Burnside. Went out of business 14 years ago. The squatters group took it over almost immediately, and now it's not what you would call prime shopping territory.
Makes sense the matchmaker would be there, a good source of mannequin parts. But then what's all this here? An outpost? A second shop? I should probably go down there.
Yeah, just don't get carried away. Shit, the cops don't even drive down Burnside unless they have to. It's a nasty area filled with nasty people. And the people down there are different. They go beyond nasty.
Stand clear of platform. Stand clear of platform. Metro Station daily logs are now beginning for Tuesday. Route 6 to 12th Avenue. Route 9 to New Montgomery. Route 16 to Burnside. Arriving platform 16. Do not hold train doors.
Thomas, Route 16 to Burnside. That train will take you directly to the department store.
If I hurry, I'll just make it.
Don't move, buddy. There we go. Going up. And I got my taser back. There we go. Again, she sounds like she just crawled out of the fucking ring. Or crawled out of the well like the chick from the ring. Alright, health for not if, but when I need it. Give me this. 3 shots. There we go. Okay, I got 1 round. It's either gonna be me or my attacker. Ooh, sledgehammer. Oh, I remember this. Pass through the door to complete the chapter. There you go. Sweet. Favorite weapon? Pump shotgun. That's a little surprising.